Hey, what's up guys? So these are the tools that you need for the job. 3/8 ratchet, quarter ratchet, another quarter ratchet. So I have 3 quarter ratchet, different sizes. Long extension 3/8, medium, small. There you are. You got a swivel adapter, 14mm, 12mm socket, and a 10mm socket. Let's get it started, guys. First off, disconnect the negative battery first. Oh yeah, by the way guys, it's better to remove the right front wheel. To me that would aid the job in getting the top bolt for the starter. So I usually remove the wheels. Alright guys, let's remove the adapter attached to the intake. There's 2 10mm and 12mm on the bottom. And that's the 12mm bolts. There you go, guys. If you guys have a cordless tool, that would really speed up the job, so you use it. With this job, I didn't quite get a longer quarter extension, so I could use my cordless tool to get those 10mm bolts up. So therefore I'm going mano to mano. In this picture you'll see a clip there on the starter. That's the harness for the starter. That clip, you'll have to remove that. You have to disconnect that, like what I'm doing right now. Alright guys, if you look at the top left corner of the screen, there is also a clip there that you have to undo. And right now you can't see what I'm removing there. It's also another clip there, and that's 1, that's 2, and that's the 3rd clip that you have to undo. Harness. Alright, in this section of the video, that's the 3rd clip that I'm disconnecting. Alright guys, so in this section of the video I've already loosened the top bolt for the starter, and so I'm using that long 3/8 extension bar to get to the top bolt. I'm also using the 14mm and the swivel adapter. Alright guys, so that's removed. That's the long bolt for the top. And I'm also removing the bottom bolt for the starter now too. Using just the short extensions. Alright guys, so the bolts are out. There's only 2 bolts by the way, and the trick to getting that starter out is to loosen the bolts for the lines. That would be that line. Follow that lines and you'll see that bolt that I removed there on the right side frame. Here's another one from subframe. There's another one. It's right behind the rack and pinion. Alright guys, so all those bolts are out, and now we're gonna take care of the harness and do the harness starter. Disconnect the connector. Alright, so what I'm actually doing there is removing the clip. There was another clip there that I have to undo. There is a rubber cover for that harness on the starter, so you're gonna have to fight and try to open up and make room for your socket to go in. Alright guys, so I have that extension. I'm using the 3/8 and a 12mm socket to undo the starter nut. Right guys, so make sure you're holding onto the starter while you're spinning and trying to loosen up the nut. That will really help. There you go guys. There's the harness nuts. There you go guys. harness is disconnected. There is also a connector there right beside it, so make sure you undo that too, and that's what I'm gonna do right now, is to undo the connector before pulling it out of the frame. There you go. So I'm just disconnecting the connector, and we're gonna pull out the starter out. Make note of how the positioning of the starter is. So that's basically how it's gonna be going in. That was the wrong side. So have the gear first, and there it is. Alright guys, the starter is out. Just remember how it came out. It will go back in the same way like it came out. Alright guys, good luck. Thanks for watching. Likes and subscribe.